Good evening. Today we have a very sensible topic, very effective topic, that first you set the direction and then accelerate the speed. First set the direction, then accelerate the speed. From topic is not very much clear what we are going to talk about. This is a motivational common point which is needed to be addressed in our personal life, social life and professional life. In professional life, it's very much essential that we take the work in the hand, speed up the work and then finish the work, accomplish the task. Going more into, this is a generic I am talking to you, in all departments, let it be purchase department, marketing department, sales department and accounts department, quality department, admin department, HR department, all the department, store department, persons are, employee is coming, then taking up the task, accelerating it, speeding it, and then they are accomplishing the task and the task is over. Then undertaking another task. Now important thing is that what normal problem we are facing, generic problem what we are facing, that people first undertake the work without setting the direction, they accelerate the speed, they starts moving. One more example I used to give, that like a fire brigade running here and there without knowing the fire point. कहाँ जा रहे हो मालूम नहीं, क्या कर रहे हो मालूम नहीं, बट हम कर रहे हैं. So you have not set the direction, and when the speed versus direction comes in the professional life, even in your personal life and social life, then very first don't set the speed unless you have set the direction. Let me give one example, a small example of day-to-day life which you are handling. Morning 8 o'clock you are ready with the nasta, 8:30 whatever time you go to office. Suppose you don't know where you have to go, you have not planned, you are going Pune, you are going your office Goregaon, you are going for certain purchase to Mangaldas market, you are going for some darshan and thereafter other, and accordingly you are taking the bag and your chabi, going to car and opening the car, and car you started, you walk out of the gate and then you have taken the left, right or straight as the case may be. And why you are doing like this? Because you have set the direction, you have not taken the speed, but you are setting the direction that I have to go to Goregaon my office. So when you walk out of your main door, you are taking left, then going taking right, taking to the highway, take the right, go to Gujarat highway, take the left, reach to Goregaon, and in your building where your office is there. And then in between, whatever the way you get the road, you are setting the speed and you are going somewhere with the 20 speed, somewhere with the 60 speed, somewhere with the 80 speed, and when you are getting open highway, then running with the 100 speed also. In the same as it happens in the professional, this is the example of the personal life as well as professional life. You are going office is a professional example. But if you have not set that where I have to go, then what happened? You take out your car out of your main gate, and are you running speedily your car without knowing that where I have to go, straight I have to go, left I have to take, right I have to take? No, because this will lead undecided journey, and aim of journey of the day will be spoiled. So what you need to do, then this topic helps you. What this topic says, that don't roam whole Rome. You need not to go here and there in the Rome. You decide where you have to go in the Rome and go there. You will save the time, you will save the energy, you will save the money, you will be away of puzzleness. Similarly, in the professional life, in office when you reached, what normally you do? You normally go to your place, where workplace is there. You start your PC, laptop, you then start the work. Now when you start the work, then you don't know what is the direction of the work to be set, and you start doing it. Once you pick up the speed, but you don't know that which work direction goes in which line. Doing so, you are setting the direction when that is very clear that I have to go in that direction. Having this in knowledge, having this tool in your hand, when you are accelerating your task of the day, of the time, then it will run on the highway of your desire, of your choice, without leading any accident. Otherwise, what happens? That there is the collision, there is the ill impact. The task is not accomplished because due care was not given. That when to study, when to set the direction, and when to accelerate the speed. Which one is the first and which one is the last? Which one is the nose and which one is the mouth? Do you know what is the meaning of this? End of nose is the opening of the mouth. So speed should be treated like nose or like mouth, and direction should be treated like nose or mouth. And it was accelerated without giving due value of direction. So it has created unauspicious, unceremonial situation over there at the workplace. So when you are at workplace, either you are starting or you are in between or you are giving end to end the day, you have to keep it in mind that first you set the direction of the task, and then you set the speed, how fast we have to deliver the result, how qualitatively we have to deliver the result. Keeping these things in mind, accelerate the speed, then you will find that speed is appreciated because direction is set. A long highway is there, there will not be any accident, there will not be any trouble, any issue. This is the not a small thing, this is the very important thing. Otherwise, at each beginning there is the hit and you get disappointed, depressed. What to do, yaar? Whenever I am starting, I am getting hit. It's because you have not set the direction. You have already accelerating the speed in the professional work. So each employee should keep it in the mind that speed, work speed, thought process, all these things should be after setting the direction in which you want to flow to accomplish your task. In this video, this much. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Namaskar और प्रणाम.